In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put in a Roth conversion into Turbotax. We're going to walk through the exact path inside Turbotax so you can enter this information in the right section without getting lost. If you're following along, it helps to have your tax return open and be on the main navigation area before you begin. Start by moving your cursor over deductions and credits. This is where Turbotax groups tether a lot of retirement-related entries. So even though a Roth conversion may not seem like a deduction at first, this is the path you'll use to reach the correct IRA section. From there, click on Deductions and Credit Summary. This brings you to the overview page where you can review or edit different deduction and contribution categories. Once you're on that page, look for Traditional and Roth IRA contributions. When you find it, select that section and then click Edit. After that, choose Roth IRA. This tells Turbotax that you want to work specifically inside the Roth IRA contribution area. Once you've selected it, click Continue to move forward. You'll then see a question asking whether you contributed to a Roth IRA in 2025. On that screen, click Yes. This is the option shown in the workflow here, and it allows you to continue through the Roth IRA entry process. Then click Continue again. Next, Turbotax will ask, was the contribution a repayment of money you previously took out of a retirement plan? On this screen, select Yes. This is the selection used in this process for entering the Roth conversion path shown here. After choosing Yes, click Continue. From that point, continue through the next screen as prompted. In this walkthrough, the final step is simply to keep going by clicking Continue again. If Turbotax shows any follow-up screens, just proceed through them in the same flow shown here. A helpful tip while doing this is to read each screen carefully before clicking forward, since Turbotax may slightly change wording depending on your return. But as long as you stay within the Traditional and Roth IRA contributions section and follow these same choices, you should remain on the correct track. And that's it. That's how to put in a Roth conversion into Turbotax using the Deductions and Credits section. If you're reviewing your return afterward, it's always a good idea to double check the retirement entries before filing so everything appears the way you expect.